Paw, come on. Give me the nail. No.
It's nice.
Listen, I'm the one who's gonna have sharp little barbs all over my bed after this is done. Stitch. You're gonna get yourself hurt.
You're gonna need stitches.
Stitch.
Kitten. wait, let me sit. Before I touch you.
One more nail on this foot. One more nail on this foot.
You little bitch.
Where is it? There it is. Backbeat now. Backbeat.
Ah.
Ow. No.
Wait, my phone. Not here. No, don't really bite my phone. Or grab it. Ah, he bit my phone and he's grabbing it. He's holding on my phone.
Stop.
He's paws on my phone. My kid.
One more foot. One more. I need this one. No, don't pull it. Stop. I need this one. Yeah, bite my foot.
You don't care about my foot.
No.
You squirmy little.
One more foot. Ow. You know, that still hurts. I did not cut your nails that much. No. Stop it. Stop it.
Okay, now you're gonna mess up my nails.
Stop. Stop. One more foot. And then you're all done. Stop squirming.
He's like, I already is done.
You're only gonna make it worse, Stitch.
His poor face.
Stitch.
He's like a giant teddy bear. That
Stop.
moves.
It's half cut off. I need to finish getting the nail off.
Push it in your titty.
Go ahead. Bite my arm.
Bite her titty. She won't mind. It's in your face anyway.
One more nail.
Look away for the team, kitty cat.
All done. Run.
Run! Yeah!
Now I got itty bitty sharp little barbs on.
And under the cat, the thingy thing he goes. Cool. Bye, cat.